Ka Dr. Wadamika Lingdo ka beri ka Head State Food Testing Department jong sarkar jela kalau ong bagi jingbam ka koit ka khia bat ka rukom bam ki don ki jinga sno bat kum ki brio habban snotho bat tip baki jingbam ki baki bam ki de ban long ki baya day bat ki ba khuid na ka banta ka met yakane ka Dr. Wadamika kalakran kum ka kong sana ka jingalang pensyai halor ki sin jam ban bam ki jingbam ki babha lani ka awareness talk Come Diet Clinic launch na ka National Nutrition Month celebration September arja arpulai jong ka nutrition galore ha prime hub polo Shillong ha ka no phai singi jong ka arp khnai trek unai lur arja arpulai ki wei balai don lang bat ai jingkran ki kenthop yak Dr. Laribha Todong Assistant Professor jong ka Martin Luther Christian University ki nongwik mat na katanat Clinical Nutrition and Dietetics St. Mary's College ka Dr. Grace Deline Pasa ka nongseng jong ka nutrition galore na lor ki wei pat.
So I'm launching Food is food when you can consume it. So as per the FSI, everyone knows what FSI is, the Food Safety and Standard Authority of India. They say that if it is not saved, it is not food. That is a caption in FSI. So whatever you consume which is not good for your body, it is actually not considered as food. Is that clear? So which means what is unsafe food? Unsafe food is when you take a food which any item, I'm not saying food again, I'm sorry, I made a mistake saying food. Any product you take for your body which has contaminant, which means bacterial contaminants, chemical contaminants, all sort of contaminants which is bad for your body is definitely not called food. And how much of that food and what is the consistency and what is the nutrients level that you need to take so that it will be good for your body. Different bodies actually accept different types of food. I will say among us in this crowd, some who eat nuts might get acidity, they might get stomach cramp, but for somebody they can eat as much nuts as possible, or for some they might have allergy reaction, but for some they don't. So basically eating safe food at the right proportion is what we need.
Nutrition Galore is your premier diet clinic offering innovative and dynamic nutrition and diet consultancy service to Shillong, Meghalaya and beyond. We are your dedicated partner in the journey towards achieving optimal health through balanced nutrition and holistic well-being. Our team of seasoned experts led by Dr. Grace Roshala has come together with a shared passion to transform lives by promoting healthier eating habits and empowering individuals to take charge of their health.
That could be one of the aim in your life where you can look forward to that. Okay, so your studies should not just end in hospital or in gym or where the nutrition and dietitians are needed, public health as well. But if you are ready to be your own boss, think of entrepreneurship.